Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we will be seeing about the mapping operations. Mapping operations are those that transform the elements of a stream and returns a new stream. And returns a new stream. The new stream contains the transformed elements. In order to like we have wide variety of methods actually to transform the elements of a stream into a new stream. Okay, so among these methods, we have two most common methods. Okay, we are using. So they are like map and flat map, map and flat map. These are the most common used methods to convert a stream into another stream. Okay, so these are the two methods we have. Let's understand map first. Let's understand map first. Okay, so map is one of the map is one of the method which is available in a stream API, which is available in a stream interface. Map will be taking the function as the parameter, and it will be returning a string. So what map will be doing? It will be transforming the elements of a given stream and it will be returning a new stream. For example, let's say we have a we have a list of names actually. We have a list of names. The names are something like this. Let's say John, Sina, Rohit, Sachin, Sachin, Sehwag, Redley. So these are the names we have. Now you can see that the names are in the small case letters. Now I want to convert these names into camel case. So I'll be taking a help of map and I'll be converting them into a camel case. Okay. So how I'll do that? So I'll say names dot stream through these names. Okay, now what I'll do is I want to transform the each and every name into a camel case. So what I'll do is I'll be using a function. So what function interface will be taking? A function interface will be taking an object of type t and it will be returning an object of type r. For example, here if you write it function over here, a function, let's say a function will be taking an object of type t. For example, name, it would be a taking, okay, lambda expression. Now name, and it will be converting that name to a uppercase actually, uppercase. Okay, and this is the function of a string. I'll write fun string. You can pass that fun string over here as well. Okay, now what after that? You will be collecting the result into a list. Okay, so I'll say collectors dot to list. Okay, so now this will be returning the transformed elements actually. So which is nothing but all these names would be in a camel case. Okay, let's write code for this. Okay, let me come here. Let me create a client class. I'll be creating a client class map client application. Okay, main method. Now let's say the use case is we have a list of names we want to convert to upper cases. We have a list of names. We have a list of names in small case. We want to convert it to the upper cases. Okay. So now I'll be taking the list arrays dot as list and I'll be taking some names actually, comma separated. Let's say, for example, Sachin. Sehwag, Rohit, Virat, and Brett. So these are some of the names actually. Now this will be returning a list of string, and we can call this as the names actually. Let me import this one. Import list. Okay. So we have imported the list. Now this is fine. Okay. Now I'll be applying a stream on this names actually. I'll say names.stream. The names.stream, it will be returning a stream of string. So names dot stream. So this will be returning a stream of string. Okay. Now I'll write stream of string. I'll write two different ways. Okay. First I'll write this one. So stream of string. We can say that names name stream names stream. Okay. Names stream. Let's import the stream. Let's import the stream. Okay, we have imported the stream. Now next what we have to do, we have to use this stream. On stream, what we have to do, we have to perform map operation. So map operation, what it will be doing, it will be transforming the each and every element of a given stream to a new stream. So here what we are doing, we want to convert the Sachin to uppercase letter, Sehwag to uppercase letter, Rohit to uppercase letter, Virat to uppercase letter, and Brittley to uppercase letter. So all these names should be converted to uppercase letter. Okay, that's why we are going to use the map. So when we have to use map, uh, if you want to change the individual element of a given stream, then you should go and use the map. So here we are going to change it, right? Okay, every individual element we are going to change now. So I'll say now names stream dot map. Okay, so in map will be taking the function. So okay, so now here function will be taking an object of type T. For example, name it would be taking. Okay, let's say our name is the object. Now what we want to do with this name, we want to convert this name to a uppercase. I'll say to uppercase. That's it, uppercase. Now once we convert this will be returning this entire statement is returning a new stream. Okay, so now this is the new stream which we are getting it, stream of strings. Why we are returning string? Because name is a string. Okay, so now here I'll say this is a stream resultant stream. Okay, stream. Okay, fine. Now we have a resultant stream. Now on this, now what do we want to do? If you want to display this resultant stream, then you can use for each loop resultant stream dot for each, let's say system dot out double colon println. Okay, so in these statements, in like I have, like I can write the entire code in a single statement, but I want you to understand like how it is happening actually. First, once we have the list of names, now what we are doing is we are streaming through these names. We are creating a stream. Okay, so the stream will be created. Okay, the stream name is name stream. Now on this stream we are performing the mapping operation. So what map operation will be doing, it will be converting the each and every element of a given stream and returns a new stream. So we are given some some condition over here. We want to convert the each and every name to uppercase. So once it is converted, so it will be returning the result to a new stream. So this is the resultant stream. So we are displaying the resultant stream. That's what we are doing is we can write this entire statement in one line as well. I'll show that one also. Okay. So as for beginners, it would be a good practice actually if you write something like this, if you write something like this. Okay. So let me go and run this one, run as a Java application. So this will be printing names in a camel cases now. See here, Sachin, Sehwag, Rohit, Virat, Britley. Before it was, small cases. Now we are returning in a camel case. Okay. So this is the way you can write it. Okay. This is the first approach you can write it. The second approach we have. Okay. We can write the entire thing in a single statement. Let's see how I'll write it. So let's say I have a list of names. Okay, I have a list of names. I'll stream through these names. This will be written in a stream of string. Now what I'll do is I'll be applying a map on this stream. So I'll say name lambda expression name dot to uppercase. That's it. To uppercase. Once it is returning the resultant stream. So what I'll do is I'll be using the for each method. I'll be using for each method and display these details. Okay. So you can see here, let me comment this part. Okay. Let me execute this one. This one will also give the same result. Let's see. Right. As Java application. See. Sachin, Sehwag, Rohit, Virat, Britley. Okay. You can write something like this also, but I always recommend if you are like new to the Java 8, you always go with this way. So if you are habituated with, you are pro in Java 8 or you are advanced in Java 8, then go with this approach actually. Okay, fine. I hope you understood this session. In the next session we'll be seeing one more example on custom object.